What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today, Monday, July 28th, we are back at Costco with another great video. So today's video, we have the hot flash deals for the week. For those of you who don't know it, we do put out some of the best Costco content around. Every single day, I like to come to the warehouse and film all the new deals. And because Costco puts out so many new deals every single day, I like to showcase these deals at the beginning of the week. I like to call them the flash deals for the week. Now, if you take a peek at my channel, have a look at the deals, I have a pretty structured program when it comes to Costco content, and I do believe that's what separates my channel from other channels, and hopefully you do enjoy that. Make sure you subscribe to our channel because we also put out Amazon content, Sam's Club, and Home Depot. Let's not waste any more time and get on with the video. And starting the video off, in the number one spot, we have the Hisense. This is their 8000 BTU smart inverter window air conditioner. Has that easy install bracket. Very nice AC, great reviews. Not the best, but still great. Now, it does cover up to 350 square feet, which is excellent. Now, its Energy Star has 3 different fan settings, and here at the warehouse, it's finally on sale again. Now, this is an ultra slim profile, as you can see. Very small, very compact, and it's finally on sale. And then to my left, right in front of us, we have the portable. This is also from Hisense, 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. Has the inverter, has Wi-Fi. If you do buy the portable one, this is the type you want. It has an intake and an exhaust, as you can see there. Now this window AC, the portable one, that one's actually a discontinued deal. $80 off the price, $269.99. And then to the right, the window AC, $239.99. So if you're looking for something with a little bit more power, check out the Medea. This one has 12,000 BTUs, has a lot more power. It's also Energy Star, great reviews online. Now this one is very quiet, great for 550 square feet, which I like. And I love this nice U-shaped design. No, it's not the slim design, but it's still great. It's a nice air conditioner. And today they're taking $80 off the price. They're also taking $80 off online as well. $289.99 here at the warehouse, $309.99 at Costco.com. And it's that time of the video, friends, where we are going to announce the new giveaway. If you click the link in the comments section, this screen will pop up. We're giving away the Ion Tailgater Tough, this wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's awesome. I bought it for myself, and I love it. $49.97 on clearance. Original price, $100. Now, there's 5 different ways you can enter this giveaway. It's absolutely free. Just subscribe to the channel. If you want to increase your chances, watch my Amazon video moving forward. That will give you an additional 5 entries. I am going to put out a secret code at some point in my Amazon videos that will give you an additional 5 entries. Grab that secret code, enter into the giveaway, and that will increase your chances and give you 5 additional entries. In the number 3 spot from Epson, we have their ET2988. This is their wireless super tank printer. Now, the previous model, I wasn't too crazy about. This model, the reviews so far, not the greatest, I gotta be honest. Now, it does have a nice printing system, where the ink tank is nice, has 3 years of ink, which I like. Now, it has an auto 2-side printer. Now, you can print, scan, copy, fax with it. $50 off the price, $199.99. And next up, in the number 4 spot, we have the Post-its back on sale again. Now, these are 4x6, 1,000 sheets, but we have other options to choose from if you don't want the 4x6. If you look over to the right, we also have the 3x3. Now, in the 4x6, you get 10 pads, a total of 1,000 sheets, and today we have a great price. Also, to my right, we got the 3x3, and these you get 2,400 sheets, so quite the difference here. And these you get 24 packs in total. So to my right, we get the 4x6, to my left, the 3x3, $4 off the price, $12.99. And then directly behind me, we have the Precision Ultra Edge Scissors. These are great. I know a lot of people are thinking, what do I need scissors for? But these scissors from 3M are fantastic. They're very sharp. They cut very well. I like them a lot. Now, the price is excellent as well. We saw these go on clearance last year, but check out this price. Not bad at all. $6.99 for a 3-pack. These are excellent. Also, to my right, we have the gift wrap tape from Scotch, the 3M tape here. Now, the tape is 3/4 of an inch thick. Each roll is 1,100 inches, so you do get 6 rolls in total, a total of 6,600 inches of wrapping tape. They're taking $3.50 off the price, which is excellent, bringing the price down to only $9.99. It's available at Costco online for $11.49. And then to my right, one more time from Scotch, we have their heavy duty shipping tape. That does come in an 8-pack. If you have a lot of returns or anything heavy duty that you need to be shipped, this is definitely the tape you want to buy. Each roll is 54.6 yards, so you do get a lot of tape here. Also, friends, they're taking $8 off the price. You can pick it up at Costco online for only $1 more. Here at the warehouse, $17.99. So if you are looking for a new rug, check out these new rugs from Gertmanian. We have 3 different styles with 3 different patterns to choose from. Now, me personally, I do like the all cream one. It does have a little bit of texture to it. They're super soft. They're very nice quality. 7 feet 10 inches by 10 feet. They're taking $30 off the price, bringing it down to only $99.99. These are the 3 different patterns to choose from. And just down the aisle, we have some stoneware vases with some pretty good reviews from VCNY. We've seen these on sale before. We're seeing it again now, except this time we only have black available. The cream already sold out. Now, per box, you get 3 vases. They come in 3 different sizes. As you can see, we do get a nice variety here. Now, they're currently on sale. They're taking $6 off the price, bringing it down to only $20.99. And moving on to the number 9 spot from Christine, we have their 3-in-1 ceramic flat iron. Now it does come complete with a nice heat resistant cap for easy storing and protection. Also comes with that beautiful detangling brush, as you can see there on the box, and you even get 4 sectioning clips, which is excellent. Now today they're taking $20 off the price, bringing it down to $69.99. Also available at Costco.com for the same exact price. So if it's available at Costco.com for the same price, I am going to put up a little banner just to let you know that, so I don't have to keep on repeating it throughout the video. And for the ladies, in the number 10 spot from Felina, we have the women's adaptive cup. This is the wire-free bra, and it comes in a 2-pack. Great reviews online. Now, we here at the warehouse, we have small, medium, large, and XL. At Costco.com, they only have small and medium available at the moment, but it does qualify for the mix and match if you do purchase it at Costco.com. Here at the warehouse, $15.99. At Costco.com, $17.99. But don't forget, it does qualify for the mix and match. In the number 11 spot, we have a veteran-owned company called Safe Racks. Check out this cool product they made. Now, last year, or a few months ago, actually, we saw the stainless steel version go on clearance. This one's an all-new black model that they came out with. Pretty cool looking rack. Now, it does hold 5 bins in total. These huge, massive 27-gallon storage bins. It does hold up to 50 pounds per shelf, as you can see there. Very nice rack. It's veteran-owned. Get out there and support your veterans. Now, you can buy it here at Costco at a fantastic price, $15 off, only $54.99. One of my favorite items for today's video, just around the corner, we have the Rio Link. This is the security camera system, professional grade. It's a 16 channel, very nice. You get 8 cameras, 4 terabyte hard drive, 24/7 recorded, so you don't need any monthly subscriptions. It records right to that DVR system, which is excellent. Each camera is 4K, 12 megapixels, very nice camera. These are Ultra HD. They're taking $100 off the price, bringing it down to $699.99. And if you watched my last Amazon video, we did showcase a lot of products from Wise. Here we have a nice little combination package from Costco. So we get the floodlight combo package and we have the Cam V4. Both of them are excellent. This is the Camera Floodlight Pro, has pretty good light output, and then the Cam V4. Wise is very up and coming. A lot of new products are coming out from them. This is a great buy, especially if you get it at this discount. At Costco online, it's $89.99. Here at the warehouse, they're giving us a pretty good discount. Now, the normal price was $100, but they did bring it down, as you can see. Today, you can buy it for only $79.99. They are giving us a $20 discount. So I'm pretty sure most of you know by now, if you are Lego fans, that Costco, when it comes to Legos, they have some pretty amazing deals. Now, they don't usually discount Legos too much. Now, these are very popular at Costco, especially the botanicals. We have the flower arrangement here. Check out that price. You don't see these types of price drops often when it comes to Legos. And here at Costco, they're taking $20 off the price. Pretty amazing deal for this Lego package set. This one's for the ages of 18 plus. Look how many pieces, 1,161 pieces. Pretty amazing set here. Now they're taking $20 off the price, $59.99. And if you are a Lego fan, head over to Costco.com. Check out all the other Lego deals they have there. That botanical set is $10 more at Costco.com. Here we have the Hot Wheels, the Octo Car Wash. Now this is a pretty cool car wash. When it goes through the wash, the cars do change different colors, which is pretty neat. Now this does have some pretty good reviews online, recommended for the ages of 4+. They're taking $15 off the tag, $59.99. It's $5 more at Costco online. And now from Coda, we have their pretty awesome motion security light from them. I do like the Coda products that they sell here at Costco. They're usually pretty good quality. Now this one, the quality is pretty awesome as well. Excellent reviews online. 4,200 lumens, so it is quite bright as you can see there. The accent light has a little accent light that does put out 200 lumens, and it does have a 240-degree motion sensing rays. It can detect motion up to 70 feet, which is amazing. Look at that price, super cheap. It's hardwired too, so don't forget about that. $10 off, $19.99. So if you like keeping your garage or maybe your shed nice and organized, this is a great kit to pick up. It's a garage storage system that you can pick up. It's a 15-piece set that you can grab. Now you can hang up your shovels, your hoses, your ladders, whatever you want. You hang it up, you hang it on the wall, and it keeps everything nice and organized. The price is excellent, $6 off, only $26.99. Everyone's favorite in the number 18 spot, we have the Little Giant. This is the Mega Light. Has an 18-foot reach. That's just pretty incredible. Multi-purpose ladder here. You got the legs at the bottom. Awesome. Look at the weight capacity, 300 pounds, which is excellent. You can use it as an A-frame design. Pretty awesome ladder here from Little Giant. If you don't know about it, look it up on YouTube. Great reviews. Check out that price. How can you go wrong? $30 off, $169.99. And one of my favorites, we also have the Cabot cheese on sale. I also like the Kerrygold cheese. If you haven't tried that at Costco, definitely check it out. One of my favorites is the feta cheese, the Greek feta cheese here at Costco. But the Cabot is nice. This is the cheddar cheese, the nice and creamy from Cabot's. But check out the price, $6.49 a pound. They're taking $3 off per package. Pretty awesome deal. In the number 20 spot, a hot item here at Costco. This was super popular last year. It was very, very comfortable. Here they have a nice upgraded design. This is the Rio swinging hammock chair. It has a footrest, as you can see. This went very viral last year. A lot of people loved it, said it was super comfortable. The reviews online, obviously amazing. Very nice. Even comes with a nice convenient carrying bag. I like it. Rust resistant because the frame is powder coated. $10 off, only $39.99. And moving on to the number 21 spot, we have the Tide liquid detergent here. Now, don't forget, this Wednesday, Costco's coming out with a new coupon book. We're going to put out a very big video. Stay tuned for that. Now, this is 1 gallon in size. Check it out. $4 off the price, bringing it down to $14.99. And to my left, we also have the pods on sale from Tide. These are the Oxy pods, $5.40 off, only $21.49. To my right, let's have a look for our fur babies. We have the adult dog food here, chicken and rice, vegetable formula, very nice from Kirkland. Let's have a look at it. Now, it does have a few other added ingredients. I'll name off a few of them. Has some glucosamine, has some vitamin E, some zinc, some probiotics, and a couple of more ingredients. Now, this is adult dog food, as you can see, 40 pounds. If you need help picking it up, putting it in the cart, just ask. Anyone will help you. Now, they are taking $7 off the price, bringing it down to $28.99. It's available at Costco online for $39.99. And check out this awesome deal from Kirkland as well. We have their dental chews, 72 count per box, made in the United States. Now these sell very quickly. As you can see, look how many sold already. These are grain-free, they're gluten-free. They're taking $6 off the price. You can buy these here at the warehouse for only $20.99. They're $10 more online at Costco.com for $30.99. And don't worry, friends, I didn't forget about the little kitty cats as well. We have their Kirkland signature chunks and gravy. I am filming the wrong product. It's not the purple box. It's that blue box to my right. Let me put up a picture so you can see. So here we go. They're taking $6 off the price. We get a 2-flavor variety pack. It's made with real chicken or salmon, grain-free recipe, as you can see. Now currently it's on sale, $26.99 at Costco.com. Here at the warehouse, a little bit less expensive, as you can see. It's only $21.79. So I do have to head back to the front of the store. We have the neck fans on sale. I didn't get a chance to film this in the beginning of the video because it was just way too busy here at the warehouse. Now these neck fans, they come in a 2-pack. They're nice, as you can see. So it does have 2 to 18 hours of operating time, even has 5 different speed settings. As you can see, it has a nice smooth ABS texture to it. You get the 2-pack here, very nice. Now it's pretty quiet. It only weighs a little bit over a half a pound, which is super lightweight for this product, incredibly light. Now it's also very quiet. You can pick it up at Costco.com for $32.99. They're taking $6 off the price. If you're on the larger side, this is not going to fit you. It's just going to choke you out. So definitely don't even bother. $29.99 after a $10 discount. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, if you want to know the latest and greatest at Costco, we do put out some of the best Costco content around. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button. If you did enjoy today's video, leave us a comment below. Don't forget about that. If you have Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Watch the Deal Finder. And don't forget about our giveaway. It's absolutely free. The link will be in the comment section. I'll see you tomorrow, friends. Peace.